Hi people, it's Nettie again. Okay, I made a video, but I took it off. I deleted it because I decided to also do another part. So instead of just doing little by little, I decided to put the whole thing together that it has to do with the same thing. These are my, how you call it? My eggplant. What I'm doing is, as they grow, I'm cutting them and putting them in, how you call it? Putting them in water, but they taught me how to do it. You don't just fill it up with a whole stack of water. You water the tip, just the tip. Because if you put too much water, it tends to die. It rots. So I got my first planting already. This one. I have to cut that top leaf. I didn't notice. This one right there. But I have my first one, and this is going to be gorgeous. It's been a while I put it here, and it's still, the leaves are still nice and strong. Except that one is bitten off, so I'm going to take that off. So this is my first plant. I have this one, little ones. I got this for the little ones, or twisted ones like this one. So I think I have that one. I have a few of them here. As you can see, they're bigger. So they're doing pretty good. And now I want to do the same thing with my basil, my sweet basil. Yeah, these are my sweet basil. It has so much basil. And when I did the sofrito, I put a whole bunch. And I still get a lot of it, as you can see right there. So I decided that I'm going to put this one in this big canister so I don't have to be washing it all the time and, and wetting it and this and that. This one I have to do it because I have to do the tip only. But this one, I just dump it in there, and I think that they like the mint. That if you put it deep, all that part will grow with roots. So this is a couple of them. I'm just gonna leave it, and when they start getting root, I will plant them. I was also thinking if this keep growing, to wash it up a little bit and let them dry, and use it like for instead of using it fresh. Use it, when they turn blackish, that you could just crumble in the food. I could do that too. So, this is how I'm doing, and as you can see there, right there, look how beautiful the flowers are. This is my first time I have two flowers, but, how you call it? I have to get flowers because I have to get the bees to come over. And my eggplant is doing again super well. I'm glad. I'm so happy for it. It has like 3 or 4 eggplants already growing, and I'll be taking them out as soon as they have to be taking it out. So I use it for juicing, and if I have extras, I always give it to somebody like my aunt or my uncle, things like that. So now, if this one grows, I'm gonna have a whole bunch of basil. I want to get the other basil, not this. This one's the sweet basil, but the regular basil. I had before the purple basil and the other basil with the long leaves. I want to get those two. Those two. Not those two. Those, both of them. In other words, I want to get both of them. So I'm trying to propagate. I'm gonna see some companies and see if they want to buy the plants, and if they buy the plants, I could propagate them and sell it back to somebody else. I already got a person that is from the area that I have to talk to and see. I know she sells flowers, but I don't know if she sells, plants. But maybe she wanted to add it. I don't know. But anyway, I know, more or less the prices. Like, for instance, this little one will be like 99 cents. Now, if you get a big one, that will be like $3.98, around that range. $3.50 from $3.98. So, I know somewhat about the plants. So anyway, I'm propagating these. I'm gonna see if I could propagate tomatoes, which I can't because I got tomatoes and I know how to propagate them. So that could be another one. And I'll be just propagating as I can. My purple plant, it's already throwing seeds. And, it got real leggy. All the way at the end, it has the seeds. So I'm going to let it seed, and then I'm going to take it down And then the plant is not really worth much after that. So I'll be using the hud dirt and see what I do. Propagate, put seeds and let it propagate, And after that, I'll probably propagate it, or not propagate it. I mean, take their seeds, plant it, and make more plants. So that's my thinking. I cannot, talk to anybody if I don't have no plants, just my own. Like they're gonna come and say, "Oh yeah, you come to my house, see my big tree I got outside." No, you can't do that. So you have to have something to show, and this is why I'm starting here, little by little. I'm starting, but how I call it? I just hope I could my idea come out right, But if it doesn't, it doesn't. I could just sell it around the neighborhood. But if it doesn't, it doesn't. And if it does, super great. So pray for me for that. But I need to how I call it? Be self sufficient. I need to. And since now I don't have YouTube, so I have to do it my way. I did it my way. Yeah, that. So God bless you all. Until next time. Bye bye.